A night under the stars. Chetan, a curious student. Hafsa, Chetan's older sister, an astronomy enthusiast. Jagnav, as grandfather, a wise storyteller. Haryaksha, Chetan's mischievous best friend. Yashashwini, Hafsa's friend. A rooftop night. Chetan and Hafsa are adjusting the telescope while Haryaksha looks around unimpressed. Grandfather enters the room holding a book on astronomy. The discovery.
Chetan, why did you wake me up for this? I could be dreaming about pizza right now.
Believe me, Haryaksha, once you take a quick look in the telescope, you'll forget about the food.
Impossible.
Look there, that's an Orion belt. If you follow that line, you will find Sirius star, which is the brightest star at night sky.
Wait, Orion has a belt. Then where are his pants?
Come on, Haryaksha, it's just a name.
The cosmic journey.
Chetan, adjust the telescope.
Chetan adjusts the telescope.
Whoa, I can see Saturn's rings. Haryaksha, take a quick look.
Haryaksha leans in, looks through the telescope and gasps.
Hello everyone, I am Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. I am made up of gases like hydrogen and helium. That's why I'm the densest planet in our solar system, and also I'm known as the gas giant. I have rings which spread up to 175,000 miles in length. My rings are mostly made up of icy fragments of rock and dust. My atmosphere contains yellow and gold bands which are caused by superfast winds. I hope that you think that I am cool. I know that I am really cool.
Wait, this is amazing. But why does Saturn get all of these cool rings, but Earth has none of them?
Haryaksha, don't you know that Earth's gravity does not work like that? If Earth needs rings, then you might have to throw all the garbage into the space and you might end up having the rings for Earth as space junks.
Wait, so Saturn is all fancy, but Earth is just messy.
Messi, why not Ronaldo?
Stop your football arguments now. Look at the sky. There is a full moon today.
Wait, grandfather, why does the moon look like a pizza?
Look, these people are calling me as a pizza. Am I looking like a pizza to you?
Yes.
These generation people always keep thinking about pizzas and burgers. So helpless. Anyways, I am Moon. For generations, I have watched over Earth, a silent guardian since its birth. Lonely? Never. I might be silent, but I have witnessed Earth's poets, guiding the explorers, stories, and dreamers like them. I am a best friend and a best companion of Earth.
Now Hafsa looks into the telescope.
I can see a grey dot.
It's Mercury, Hafsa.
Hey, I'm Mercury. I'm the second hottest planet in our solar system with surface temperature over 400 degrees Celsius. And guess what? I don't have an atmosphere because I'm being blasted by that annoying sun's heat. And I'm not so cool like those other planets, like Earth, which can support life, or Saturn, which has the really cool rings. But I'm the fastest revolver around sun and can complete one revolution in 88 Earth days.
Oh, I'm feeling so hot today.
Speaking of heat, let's look for Venus.
A planet of beauty, but don't be deceived. Beneath my glow, you'd never breathe. My atmosphere is made up of mostly carbon dioxide gas, which traps heat and makes my surface so hot that it can melt lead. No one can survive here. I'm also known as the Earth's twin.
The shooting star and the funny twist. Suddenly, a shooting star appears across the sky.
Hey, look over there. That's a shooting star. Quick, make a wish. When I grow up, I want to become an astronaut and explore space.
I want to discover a new planet.
I wish I would go to many planets for a tour.
Oh, I really wish for some yummy pizza.
Haryaksha, why did you only wish for pizzas? You could wish for knowledge or wisdom.
Well, if I ever go to space, I'd probably need some snacks.
Probably if you ever go to space, you will just float in the space and look for a pizza planet.
Wait, that's a great idea. I'll start the world's first pizza delivery service in space. Haryaksha's rocket pizzas, even in zero gravity.
Then how do you plan to deliver pizzas in space?
I'll throw them really hard towards the planets and hope for the best.
And this is why Haryaksha should never know about space.
So friends, the moon, Mercury, Venus each plays a role, a part of the universe, a story untold. So keep looking up with wonder and delight, for the sky has secrets hidden in sight.